Everyday English Duo. Learn real English through real conversations.
Have you ever written a work email and then stared at it for 10 minutes wondering, does this sound okay?
Or typed a message, deleted it, typed it again, deleted it, sent it, and then panicked the moment you clicked send?
Yes. And phone calls at work can feel even scarier.
Especially when the phone rings and you think, please don't be for me, please don't be for me.
Or when you leave a voicemail and suddenly forget your own name.
That has happened to me. More than once.
Don't worry, today we're going to fix all of that.
Exactly. By the end of this video, you'll sound clear, confident, and professional in your emails and on the phone.
We'll show you simple phrases you can use every day at work.
Real examples, friendly tone, easy pronunciation,
So if work communication feels stressful,
or if English phone calls make you sweat a little,
you're in the perfect place.
take a breath.
Relax those shoulders.
And let's make you sound like a workplace communication pro.
Welcome back to Everyday English Duo, where English learning is simple, practical, and fun.
I'm Eric,
And I'm Emily.
and today we're talking about something every English learner deals with: communication at work.
Emails, phone calls, voicemail messages, talking to clients,
Rescheduling meetings.
and fixing misunderstandings politely.
These are situations that make many learners feel nervous.
But guess what? You don't need complicated words to sound professional.
Yes, professional doesn't mean big vocabulary.
Professional means clear, polite, simple.
Exactly. Even native speakers keep emails short and easy.
Today, we'll teach you the everyday phrases that real workplaces use.
You can start using them immediately,
And the best part? We'll practice the tone together.
because your tone is just as important as the words.
Friendly, calm, confident.
Not too formal, not too casual, just clear.
So open your ears, open your mind,
And maybe grab a coffee.
because we're going to make your work communication feel easy.
Let's get into it.
1. Professional email basics.
Let's start with something we all write, emails.
Yes. In English, work emails usually follow a simple structure.
Start with a greeting like, "Hi, Sarah,"
Or, hello, team.
but avoid "hey" in professional emails. It's too casual for many workplaces.
Right. Hi is perfect. Friendly. Simple. Professional.
Subject line.
A lot of learners forget the subject line.
Yes. And it's super important.
A clear subject makes your message easier to understand.
For example, meeting reminder. Thursday at 3 p.m.
Or request for updated report.
Short and clear.
Opening lines.
After the greeting, you need a warm opening line.
You can use, I hope you're doing well.
Or, "I hope your week is going well."
Simple, friendly, safe.
Getting to the point.
Then you say why you're writing.
Try these. I'm writing to ask.
I'm writing to confirm.
I'm writing about the project update.
Polite requests.
Many emails involve asking for something.
And the best phrase is, could you please?
Yes. For example, "Could you please send me the file?"
Could you please review the document?
It's polite and easy.
Closing.
At the end, you need a closing line.
Something like, "Let me know if you need anything else."
Or, thank you for your time.
And then your sign off, "Best regards," or "Best."
Both are perfect for work.
2. Replying to emails.
Sometimes you receive an email and you need to respond quickly.
A great phrase is, thanks for your email.
Easy and polite.
Then continue. Here is the information you requested.
Or, "I've attached the file below."
Or, thanks for letting me know.
If you need more time.
What if you're busy and can't reply fully?
Very common.
You can say, "Thanks for your message. I'll get back to you soon."
Or, I'll send you an update by tomorrow.
Clear expectations make communication easy.
3. Clarifying misunderstandings. Politely.
Now let's talk about a big challenge: misunderstandings.
They happen in every workplace.
The key is staying calm and polite.
One useful phrase is just to clarify.
Yes. Like, just to clarify, is the meeting at 2 p.m. or 3 p.m.?
Another phrase is, I might be misunderstanding, but.
Soft, polite, professional.
And if someone misunderstood you, say, sorry for the confusion.
Or, let me explain that again.
Simple and friendly.
4. Making phone calls at work.
Emails are safe. Phone calls, a little scary.
Yes, because you need to respond fast.
But with the right phrases, you'll feel confident.
Starting a call.
When you call someone, begin with your name and reason.
Like, hi, this is Emily from Bright Agency.
And then, I'm calling about the report.
Or, I'm calling to ask a quick question.
If you didn't understand. Eric,
Don't be afraid to ask again.
Yes, just say, sorry, could you repeat that?
Or, could you speak a little slower?
Native speakers ask this too.
putting someone on hold.
If you need a moment, say,
Could you hold on for a moment?
or one moment, please.
Ending a call.
End with a warm line. Thanks for your time.
Or, have a great day.
5. Leaving a professional voicemail.
Voicemails feel scary because you can't see the person.
And you need to speak clearly. No panic breathing.
The formula is simple. Your name, reason, action, contact.
Example. Hi, this is Eric from Everyday English Duo. I'm calling about the meeting schedule. Please call me back when you have a moment. My number is 555-1234. Thank you.
Easy, calm, clear.
6. Rescheduling appointments or meetings.
Sometimes plans change,
Yes, and rescheduling can feel awkward.
but polite phrases make it smooth.
Asking to reschedule.
Try. Could we reschedule our meeting?
Or, something came up. Could we move it to tomorrow?
Or would another time work for you?
Offering new times.
Always offer options. I'm available on Thursday at 10 a.m. or Friday at 2 p.m.
Giving choices is polite and professional.
If someone asks you to reschedule.
You can say, no problem. What time works best for you?
Or, thanks for letting me know.
7. Calling clients.
Calling clients needs an extra level of politeness.
Yes, think warm and respectful.
Start with, Hi, this is Emily from Bright Agency. How are you today?
Then explain the purpose. I'm calling with a quick update.
Or, I wanted to check in about the project.
If the client sounds busy, use this polite question. Is this a good time to talk?
If they say no, reply, No problem. When would be a better time?
If you need information.
Ask, Could you share a little more detail?
Or, do you have any questions for me?
End with warmth. Thanks so much for your time today.
Have a wonderful day.
Simple and professional. Wow, we covered so much today.
Yes, a full toolkit for email and phone English.
So, what did we learn?
First, email basics. Clear subject lines, friendly openings, simple requests.
And phrases like, I'm writing to, and could you please?
Then we talked about clarifying misunderstandings.
Remember, just to clarify, and sorry for the confusion.
After that, phone calls, introducing yourself, asking people to repeat, speaking slowly.
And ending with, Thanks for your time.
Then we practiced voicemails.
Name, reason, action, contact.
So clear.
And rescheduling, one of the most useful skills.
Could we reschedule? Plus offering new times.
Finally, we talked about calling clients politely.
Always ask, is this a good time?
All simple, all natural, all beginner-friendly.
And you can start using these phrases today.
Practice a little every day.
Confidence grows with use.
Exactly, and don't wait for perfection.
Just communicate.
So, are you feeling more confident with email and phone English?
I hope so, because you now have the phrases that real professionals use.
And remember, clear and polite is better than complicated.
Always.
If you want, you can even practice by writing a sample email in the comments.
Yes. Or tell us which phrase you like the most today.
Or which part is still difficult. We're here to help.
And if you want more topics for work English,
Just tell us. We love your ideas.
thanks for spending time with us today.
You're doing great.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep learning with us.
See you next time. On Everyday English Duo.